Our video number 2 for the faculty promotion process is going to specifically look at our cover sheet and the VITA. When you look at your promotion binder, once you're inside of it, you're going to notice that they are numbered using Roman numerals. So we have section 1 is the cover sheet, section 2 is the VITA. So when I go into the cover sheet, I click into it, and you are going to see when I scroll down that there is highlighted information, and your pop-up, once it is downloaded, is going to show up here in the bottom corner of your screen. When it comes up here, what you need to do is double click on it and it will open up. Once it opens, you are going to need to click Enable Editing up in the top corner. And at this point, you will be able to make changes to your document. You will want to go to the first name, last name, and you're going to type in your information. And notice how it is highlighted. You're going to need to take that highlight off. You can do that by, as I just did, by highlighting it. Oops, my highlight came off. Let me try that again. When you highlight it, you come over here, the AB with the yellow highlighter comes up, and then I'm going to come down to no color. So it automatically changes it to have no highlight on the document. I'm then going to scroll down, and I'm going to need to put my rank in here, and I am going up for professor. And I will go up for professor in 2020 through 2021. So you will want to make these particular changes within your promotion binder. After you have done this, you will need to save it. In order to save the document, you come to File, you click Save As, and you save it where you want to. For my ease, I'm just going to put it on my desktop for right now. And it'll already have the title of it. I'm going to go ahead and submit save. Once I have saved the document, I'm going to need to close out of this particular document here. I will then open up my folder, and I'm going to need to delete this. So I'm going to click and highlight. I'm going to come up here to the top and just hit delete. Delete, and it disappears. And then I'm going to come here to upload, files, and then I'm going to go to my desktop. There you go. You see some of pictures of my children that I have up there. And then, of course, I don't see my file. Oh, there it is. I'm going to double click on it, and you'll see that it's now available. And I will click into this document, and you will see that it is accurate. I do not know why this particular file requires you to save it. There is some sort of a glitch that we are not able to get rid of at this point, but it shouldn't take you very long to be able to do a save as. Quickly rename it, delete out the old file, and upload the new one. Once you are done with your cover sheet, then we're going to go into your VITA, which is section number 2. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this file. And you're going to see within my file that there are several sections that have page breaks. You cannot get rid of these page breaks. They are necessary. So the first information is section A, which is your personal information. So you're going to put in your information in here, and I'm going to go ahead and change mine and show you how to take off the highlights. When it comes to your VITA, you are also going to need to do this one as a save as. Again, save as, download copy. Once the copy is ready to download, it's going to pop up in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. and I am going to open the document and allow enable editing. When you are in this document, you're going to see, as I start to scroll down, that there are highlighted parts. There will be highlighted sections in your entire binder in every single one of these categories. The highlight means that you are responsible for going in and changing your information for this particular page. For example, in A, personal information, it has Carrie McKenna. You are not me, and don't worry, I know that's a good thing, but you're not me, and you want to change it and put in your information. So what you will do is you can come here and you can highlight. Again, it'll come up with the highlight feature. I'm going to come down. I'm going to say no color. Okay? You'll want to put your name, your current rank, when you were promoted to your categories, and your initial appointment date. I am then going to scroll down the page after personal information, and then I have my education. So again, I'm going to need to come through here, and I am going to get rid of my highlighting. And there it is. Okay, so I have continuing education credits in counseling. I have continuing education credits in English from 2013 to 2014. I earned my doctorate in 2011. I earned my master's degree in 2002, and I earned my bachelor's degree in 1995. Section C is any current professional certifications, registries, or licensures. I do not have anything that is applicable to my degree, so I'm going to come up here and I am going to take off the highlight for this particular phrase, and I am going to delete out or list certifications similar to your education. Okay. Now, say you were doing your promotion binder and you were in the welding program, you're probably going to have welding certifications. Or if you are in the nursing field, or if you are in the medical field, you're going to have your certifications. In the auto programs, you're going to have your certifications for those. So you would list any of your certifications that would be here. But since I do not have any, I'm just going to delete out this information, and that is all that I need to do in order to complete this particular section, Section C. The final section of your VITA is your experience. You'll see here again that I have it highlighted in yellow, so you're going to need to go through and put your information. But the first section is my experience. Then starts my accomplishments, which should get bumped down to the next page. After accomplishments, we have courses taught, my primary university service that I have provided to the college as well. Also, if at this point I've also done multiple presentations and publications, so I will add those to mine, to my VITA as I get through it. But again, you will want to come through and, like, for example, I will come here. I'm going to highlight what I don't need. I'll come here and I'm going to do no color on the highlight to get rid of that. Okay. So you will want to get rid of all of your highlights and put all of your information in here. If you have done presentations, whether those presentations are at the college-wide, at a local conference, a state conference, or a national conference, please include those. Additionally, please include any writings that you have done as well. And that's pretty much it for Section 1 and Section 2, your cover letter and VITA. Oh, I did forget to say, we are going to need to save this. So I will go to File, Save As. Again, I'm going to put it on my desktop. And it says here, it's going to be called number 2, VITA Integrated. I'm going to hit Save. And then what I will do is I will close this. I'm going to go into the original, delete it out. And once deleted, then I will upload. And again, here's my Vita. And it is being loaded, and right there it shows up. So this officially concludes our video number 2, which is our cover sheet and our Vita. Thanks so much.